Hey everybody, Pete's here. Yep, Pete from Sunday night. Up from Arkansas, drove up this morning to get his Camaro. Now, you had to have a T-top car was your thing.
Yep, I had to have a T-top car. I graduated from high school in 1985. Those were all over the parking lot. I didn't have one. I had a 1970 El Camino. So
That's not all bad.
no, it was cool.
You could have been driving a Celica or something.
Yeah,
but,
yeah.
I mean, so I guess that's not all bad.
It was cool. So I've always wanted one of these. I've had a first gen. I've got a fifth gen right now, and I've always wanted a T-top. So.
And you wouldn't want to do your way.
Yeah. I'll do a lot of Z28 stuff to it, but I'm not going to put Z28 badging on it. My 67 that I did, I put all RS stuff on it, and no RS badging or anything. I just like to mix the options the way I like to have them. So.
Are you gonna put a late model drivetrain in this probably?
No. I have a 67 Chevelle that's LS swapped, and I won't say I wish I wouldn't have done it because I can go out there today and start it.
Right.
But I can't work on it. I can't do anything. I mean, I got to call somebody with a computer. So no, I've had my share.
So you want to go back to a carburetor
Yep.
and
Yep, it's going to have carburation. So.
Well, and like I said, this was a good solid car, and that's what you were after because
Yep.
you wanted it your way.
Yep.
So you wanted a good solid clean T-top body, and that's what I had here, so that worked out well. So
Yep, it's going to get a big V8 motor in it, naturally aspirated. Long gone is the 6-cylinder, and I don't even know what colors yet. I've thought about red interior and blue outside to give it just something crazy, but I don't know what I'm going to do.
Well, and like I said, and even when you bought this car, you said you don't know for sure what you're going to do it or when you're going to do it, but finding a good clean second gen T-top car, you don't stumble on those every day.
Yeah.
And if you do, they're gone from here down.
Yep.
So
yeah, this car's solid, guys. I mean, it's got great quarters in it. I'm super happy with it. Chad did me right on it. So.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. You got a long ways to go. You drove up this morning. You're driving back tonight.
Yep, 6 hours. 6 hours.
And you probably want to look around here a little bit.
Yeah.
There's a couple more to see.
Yeah. You guys that are on here on Sunday nights, I feel like I'm at home walking or just looking around. I feel like I've seen all this stuff and it's at home. And also you guys that are on Sunday night, that camera, it adds like 50 pounds because I'm really not this thick.
Well, I'm glad you made it up, Pete. Enjoyed it. Glad to finally meet you. Glad we had to be able to take a minute and introduce Pete to all of you guys. And we'll go look at a few more cars. We got a couple more out here you'll probably want to check out. But one thing he did, he pulled in and he pulled up and loaded first. Before he looked around, he had to make sure he had this thing on the trailer and done before we even left this area to go look at anything else.
That's right. That's right.
But you can come back.
Yeah, and I will. I'm hoping we have a little get together for the Sunday night nobodies here sometime.
Maybe we can do that.
This place would be a good time with a bunch of gearheads. So.
Well, Pete, thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Glad you liked the Camaro.
I appreciate it.
Stay tuned. We got a lot more cool stuff coming, and hope to see everybody soon on Sunday night along with Pete.
Yeah. See you guys.